little red Corvette. And this one here is a 1971 LT1, which stands for the High Performance 350 engine. Legendary engine, robust, strong running, and lighter than the big block. Numbers matching, obviously red on red, factory born that way. 4-speed transmission. Go to volocars.com. That's where you'll find 200 classic cars, all for sale, and each one will have a price tag and a monthly payment, including this one. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. So all LT1s had the raised hood. Otherwise, they'd pretty much be flat, just a little raise in the middle. This is the raised LT1 hood in really nice shape. All this fiberglass looks good. The headlights are lined up nice. If you look for it, there's some real mild bumps. That's the rivets underneath kind of pushing up. But all this is shiny and straight. There's some light scratches. Might be a little too deep to buff out, just like something laid on there and left some marks. T-tops come off. And the rear window actually pops out, and it all stores behind the seat. This is all straight, clean. This is all looking really good here. All straight, clean. Rear quarter panels all real nice, all the way down to the bottom. I don't see any damage. Doors lined up nice. A little dirt. Shuts nice and solid. Doors looking good. All this looks really good. Vacuum wiper door does open and close. Headlights open and close. So Mille Miglia, I think that's how you pronounce it. That's the name of the red color. That's the color this car was born with. The white pinstripe you would think is normally a tape, but it's actually painted on, and someone buffed a little thin in a few places. Original chrome here is a little freckled. Front bumper is original chrome. It's straight and shiny, but it's a little freckled. You know, all that, the grill's looking good. Windshield's very good, maybe not new, but very nice. 15x8 Corvette rally wheels with BFGoodrich tires. Shiny, looks like someone scraped the curb with that one right there. Rocker moldings look good. Door handles look just about new. Coming around to the back, those bumpers have been replated. They're nice and shiny. The license plate frame looks like that's original. There's a little bit of age on that. Original FM antenna. All looking good. All right, so why don't we open it up? We'll see that red interior and that LT1. All right, look at that beautiful red paint. 72 was the last year for the chrome bumpers front and back. This is 71. Door jambs are respectable. Rubber's in good shape. Same with the door panels. They're good. They're very good, actually. Factory red interior. It's how it was born, according to the tag. And all the red dash all looks good. The instruments look nice. No splits in the dash pad, not warped. This all looks good. The black paint's a little faded off there, but not a big deal. Does have a replacement stereo, but they did not cut up the dash. Doesn't look like they did. This is all in nice shape. This is our inspection sheet. Kick panels are nice. Got a nice carpet, good carpet. Whole center console is good. Has the correct shifter with the reverse lockout. Right here is the 330 horsepower, 360 pounds of torque. That's unique to the LT1 350 motor. This is the emergency brake. The red upholstery looks to be in really nice shape. I'm sure it's been redone. Might have had some new cushions put in as well. It has the shoulder belts. The red carpet in back looks good. This is the ignition shielding from the distributor. And this here, you flip the lid down, that's where the window goes, and then the T-tops would just set in here. So, good to very good condition. The whole car. You don't expect, it's not a frame off, nut and bolt restoration, but it's a good car. Nice sports deluxe steering wheel. Visors are in good shape. Underneath, the T-tops are in good shape. the plastic trim inside the car is in really good shape. So it also comes with power brakes, power steering. Don't take that for granted. A lot of these do not. That was still optional. Alternator looks like it's new. The LT1s also come with the finned aluminum valve covers and a factory aluminum intake as part of the package. Up front, it's all nice and clean. The pulleys, the clutch fan, the shroud, all that looks clean and proper. Correct exhaust manifolds. The heater is hooked up. The ignition shielding should be bolted on right over this. I honestly don't know why it doesn't. It has a new distributor. Maybe we put a distributor in and forgot the shielding. So I'll let the shop know that shielding needs to go back on. But all the vacuum lines are run neatly. Again, keeping with the good to very good condition. Up front here, the vacuum pods for the headlights, they look new. We make sure those are working properly. This is a VIN number match motor. We also check casting numbers and codes on the back of the engine. So there you have it. Michael's going to take you for a drive, see what an LT1 will do.
All right, everybody. Got the nice old Vet here today. LT1 350 under the hood here. That's the original numbers matching drivetrain. Also have the original numbers matching Muncie close ratio 4-speed manual transmission. It's one of the best configurations that Corvette ever put out. Great, really peppy motor, starts really easily, has a nice clean idle on it. This one does have power steering, 4-wheel disc powered brakes. Also has the T-tops and the removable rear window. Super cool. Very nice, smooth, consistent brake pedal there. I'm really liking that. Power steering is also extremely easy to use. Check out the idle for a second. Totally awesome. Great running car. Let's see what she's got. And just like that, up to highway speeds with absolutely no issues. I tell you, this thing is just very consistent, very smooth, has a great rumble to it when you're in the pedal. It's a phenomenal driving experience. I'm really liking this one. Set up nicely. Underside is all original, maintained as needed with the independent suspension. Fantastic. I really like this one. You can get the whole kind of convertible open air experience, if you will, just by taking off the T-tops and removing the rear window. Easy to use, just get in and have some fun. Very nice clean downshift there. Our shop went over this car top to bottom. We did have a service bill of about $2,500 on it. Big ticket item being 4 brand new tires, mounted, balanced, everything like that. We did a few other things to it too, minor stuff. If you need a full listing of that, you can absolutely go on our website and check that out. But other than that, come out, test drive it for yourself. See that it is exactly what I say. You are welcome here. You can spend as much time with the cars you'd like to. We'll even put it up on a lift for you if you want. But yeah, just call us the day before. All the cars are in a museum setting, and we need time to move them around. Very nice driver here with the original, full original drivetrain. Check out all the details on volocars.com.
So I did check our work ticket. We did put a brand new distributor in there. I asked the shop to put the shielding back on. So anyway, underneath the car is good. It's been inspected. Independent suspension front and back, disc brakes at all four wheels. It does have the matching number motor, and even underneath, the Muncie close ratio 4-speed is VIN number matching. It has 355 posi gears in the back. The fiberglass floors are not painted over. They're raw fiberglass. They look to be in good shape. It has the spare tire cover. Exhaust is in good shape. So got a pretty special car here, a red on red LT1. Go to volocars.com. Salesman can help answer your questions, including how to get this delivered to your door and how to get it financed. Thanks for watching.